Today, we are diving into the secret world of cocktails, mocktails, and your immune health. But before we start crafting some immune-boosting mocktails, let's talk about the surprising impact of alcohol on your immune system. You see, when you sip that cocktail, it sets off a chain reaction in your body. But what happens when your detoxification system meets alcohol? You might be thinking, oh, I only have a drink or two a week. No big deal, right? Well, let's take a closer look at how even a small amount of alcohol can affect your immune health. The effects may not always be super dramatic. It is essential to understand that even moderate consumption of alcohol can impact your immune system over time. Alcohol can cause dehydration. It changes the makeup of your gut microbiome. It makes it harder for your body to identify pathogens. It can also cause chronic inflammation. It can disrupt your circadian rhythm. Yes, even that evening wine to wind down will do that. All of these things directly and indirectly affect your immune system, which collaboratively will suppress yours for about 24 hours, even after one drink, according to a study done by the Cleveland Clinic. Once you take a sip of alcohol, your body totally prioritizes breaking down alcohol over several other bodily functions. The body doesn't have a way to store alcohol like it does with carbohydrates and fats, so it has to immediately divert its attention, send it to the liver where it's metabolized. Now for the fun part. Let's talk about crafting some immune-boosting mocktails that taste good. And they look pretty too. These mocktails can be your secret weapon to enjoying social gatherings while keeping your immune system very happy during those fun gatherings. I'm going to provide 3 recipes in the description. The first one is going to be citrus sunshine cocktail with orange juice, grapefruit juice, and lemon juice. Those are all loaded with some vitamin C, and it's going to be spritzed with some sparkling water for a little zest. The second one is going to be Berry Bliss, small take on my last name. It's a Berry Bliss mocktail with a mix of berries, which berries are so good. They are an amazing antioxidant. It's also got lemon juice and agave in it. And then the third is going to be a ginger zest mocktail with ginger ale, lime juice, and honey. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of immune health and mocktails. In our next video, we're going to explore some simple daily habits for a healthier you. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Here's to a healthier immune system and a happier you. Remember, your health is in your hands, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.